Davidson Elementary is truly a neighborhood school, with most of the 440 students walking to the school nestled in a diverse community. One that has supported and valued this school since it was built 68 years ago. Accessibility issues, an aging facility, outdated classrooms, and limited space need our immediate attention. The community and its students deserve our best. These Comets are ready for a change.
I would love a new school.
A brand new school is scheduled to be built right next to the current one. This will provide students with a new, modern, and state-of-the-art facility. We love seeing so many smiling faces at Briarcliff, and there are a lot. In fact, Briarcliff is one of the fastest-growing elementary schools in the district. Expansion is needed to ease overcrowding and accommodate a growing student population. A new gym, larger updated cafeteria, and additional classrooms are some of the renovations scheduled to benefit these future Hornets and provide a better learning opportunity. A new administrative area featuring a more secure entry will bring the facility in line with other North Kansas City School elementary sites. Now you have the opportunity to support North Kansas City Schools by considering a $155 million zero tax increase bond on the April 7th ballot.
We appreciate your vote.
At North Kansas City High School, we've witnessed tremendous student pride and celebrated the benefits of a new facility. Innovative classrooms, a new performing arts center, field house, cafeteria, and major renovations engage students for learning. We have uniquely combined Hornet traditions of the past while preparing students for the future.
Please vote. Thank you very much.